Many students are turning to online businesses to fund their education and earn impressive incomes while still in school. Students can earn $10,000 a month by leveraging digital businesses. Methods include e-commerce, affiliate marketing, freelancing, and more. Best opportunities for students include selling products, promoting products, offering skills, creating digital products, and content creation. Making $10,000 a month is achievable, but requires time and effort. Students can start by dedicating 10 to 15 hours a week. Successful business models for students include dropshipping, affiliate marketing, freelance work, and selling digital products. Students can find clients through Upwork, Fiverr, and social media. Marketing through ads and influencer collaborations is key. Students practice effective time management, scheduling tasks responsibly, and using automation tools to streamline their processes. Yes, students can grow their online businesses quickly with the right strategies, such as choosing a profitable niche and focusing on customer retention. Common challenges include balancing time, initial investment costs, and mastering marketing, but students can learn from available resources. Advice for students starting online businesses: start small and scale, learn from others, be consistent, focus on customer service, and optimize. Making $10,000 a month online is possible for students with the right strategies and effort. Take action to turn your business into success.